Welcome to Job Seekers Hub. And here we are with few more job opportunities in this year because it is a placement time. And from Virtusa, this is a Java developer role and the location is Bangalore. Here the main qualifications are you need to be a graduate and you need to have a knowledge on Java and related frameworks like Java, EE, Spring Boot and other technologies. And also you need to have in-depth knowledge in Java, whether it is in Spring, JDBC, JPA, or in-depth Java DSA. Also it can lead to your preferred qualifications, and it would be better if you have additional qualifications like experiencing in SDLC and other problem solving abilities. Apart from that, it would be best if you have any technical experience like internship and all. And this is for Virtusa, and there is a other role for it like for Visa company is a very great company in that the role is the software engineer and the location is for Bangalore. It's a full-time software engineer role, and here the main qualifications are here the main qualifications are you need to have a bachelor's degree, and apart from that, for the front end you need to know HTML, CSS and JavaScript minimum. As for the back end, you need to know minimum one language like Python, Java, C++ or PHP anything, and you at least minimum need to know what is the API application program interfaces and what it does in the back end and the front end, what is this HTTP, what these request calls and etc. These are you need to have a minimum basic idea for this before going to interview. And similarly to all the companies, you need to have a DSA knowledge on any programming languages. uh, it would be better if you have a DSA knowledge in Python, Java, C++. And this is about the Visa software engineer role. And here is Microsoft company which is hiring for software engineer, and its location is also Bangalore. And here its work site is 3 days per week in office, and it's hybrid mode. And also here also the minimum qualifications is bachelor's degree in a computer science or related fields, and also you need to have a coding experience or knowledge in programming languages like C++, C sharp, Java, JavaScript or Python, etc. It would be even more better if you have a 1+ year technical experiences in these coding languages. uh, it is either a internship or any full time also, it would be very better. And this is about the Microsoft software engineer role. And now we came with the Amazon software development engineer one, Amazon University talent acquisition, and it is also hiring for SDE one only. And it has approximately, the package starts from the 48 LPA to 55 LPA as per the fresher. And here the locations are Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi. And similar to all other freshers openings, and here are also basic qualifications are the bachelor's degree in the computer science related fields only. And apart from that, as we all read about the Amazon hiring process, you need to have a good projects in your resume, and it would be better if you have a technical experience like internship that you did in the past for 3 to 6 months. It would be better to explain it to your interviewer. And also the most important part is that you need to have a great knowledge on the DSA in any programming languages. Also, and here another one is software engineer university grad role in Meta is a very great company, and these Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, these all are in the Fang and Mang companies. It For freshers it gives a great packages starting from 35 42 up to 60 LPA, 60 70 LPA packages. And its location is Bangalore. As I said before, it is for the freshers only. It is for the freshers like 2025 or 2026 graduates, which are graduating in computer science or related fields like that. And also you need to have a coding experience in these programming languages like Java, Python, C++, JavaScript. It would be even more better if you have any experience, like any internship experience to tell in the interview. And also prepare in-depth coding in these programming languages, like in-depth DSA knowledge, even more like graphs, dynamic programming, greedy, and etc. These type of topics, and these type of topics, stacks, queues, are more asked in these FANG or MANG companies in their interviews. These type of companies, high paying job companies, they have more than 2 rounds of interview for a full-time role. So prepare well for this. And there is also another opening in Amazon software development engineer one. It's opening in Bangalore, and here the qualified batch is a 2026 one. And you need to be enrolled in a bachelor's program. And also apart from that, you need to have a coding knowledge in any programming languages like Java, C++, Python. You should also have a good idea about the CS fundamentals like OOPS, algorithms, data structures and algorithms, and other problem solving abilities. Apart from that, you need to have a great idea on the complexities and what type of problems and different approaches you are solving, and what are the different complexities of them. They will cross question your complexities, and they will give also follow up questions in the interview. Be prepared well. It is also has a 48 LP. It is also start from the 45 to 55 LPA for freshers. It is a good opportunity for 2026 batch students. And 2025 batch students, you can also try and apply for it, but it is not confirmed that who are graduated they and also while applying you will know about this. There are different types of SDE roles in different companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Visa, and these are all the full-time roles for mainly for 2025, 2024, and 2026 batches. uh, Please apply it in the below link. And there is another company, Stripe, and it is for the intern role, software engineer intern. It giving openings in the Bangalore location, as similar to the all interns role. It is also have a requirement as you should have a strong knowledge on the CS fundamentals, and you should be in this bachelor's program. You need to have a experience in these type of programming languages and coding in that languages. Also you have to do the side projects, or did any individual or group projects in type of these languages like Java, Ruby, JavaScript, Scala, Go, and etc. These type of languages. You need to have a great CS fundamentals, solid foundation like OOPS, multi-threading, data structures and algorithms, operating systems, computer networks, database management systems, and etc. As this is a intern role, it would be better if you have a more DSA knowledge in the programming languages mentioned below, because it will be asked more for these type of roles. And in Stripe, the software engineer intern role has a stipend from 30 to 80,000, 30 to 1 lakh stipend based on the time that you have joined. Like last year it is 50,000 to 1 lakh, and before last year it is 30,000 to 1 lakh, in between that. These all are the good roles that you can apply. And also you need to prepare well for all these roles that I am showing, for these all these opportunities that I am showing you. One is the common link, that is you need to have a great knowledge in the CS fundamentals. You should have a great projects. Not only great, you should have a solid projects that you can even able to explain them, even they ask very tricky questions about your projects. And also the main and most important thing is that you need to have a in-depth DSA knowledge in the programming languages. Even if you have no in-depth knowledge, like you have no basic data structures like array, linked list, stacks, queue, also you can give a try, and you will get a if you pass through it, then okay. If you are not, then you'll get a experience how the interviews in these type of companies will go on. And you can prepare from this experience and how to prepare for further. And for 2024, 2025, and 2026 batch students, there are different opportunities coming in, and it will come on. And so please follow my please subscribe my channel, and like, and if you have any queries, then you can comment down below. It is my new channel, so please help me through it. Thank you. And likely I will give you the different updates about this job opportunities or internship opportunities throughout it. Thank you. Please like, subscribe to my channel.